So I told you to like for part 2. So here we go, part 2. So now we are going to put the kids' bed down. And her clothes. Then this. Then we are going to go to here. The dollar is going to be pink and stuff. So she only likes pink. Actually, I might put a little purple down. Blue. So I'll be back for the bathroom. We're gonna do the elevator. So here we go. Stand up for the back ways. Stand up for the back ways. Ready for the back ways. Like for part 3.